Hi everyone, welcome to my new channel, my first video with this Scrawlrbox unboxing. I've been collecting these for months and I do a lot of drawing to help with my mental health and all that, so I just figured this was the next logical step. So I'm super excited about this. This was left on my desk, got in from work, and I was kind of like, yes! So yeah, oh, this is stunning, this image. So this is the artist, Claudia. You can see her handles for her social media just on the bottom of this card, so definitely check out their work, because judging by this image alone, it is stunning. And I love this part of the Scrawlrbox, seeing how other people use the mediums. Now, because we have some kind of watercolor paper, I'm assuming we have watercolors of some sort. This is not normally a brand I use. I usually go for the thicker paper and in blocks, but whatever. I just love this. Right, the Scrawlrbox, I will look at that in a second, but I'm too impatient. Right, here we go. Okay, sweeties. I never eat these sweets in the boxes, do you guys? Yeah, I'm shocking. I've just got a collection of sweets. Okay. Ooh, right, what's this pencil? Let's have a little nib at this. Derwent graphite. Oh. Okay. It's quite chunky than what I'm used to. That sticker is gorgeous. Those colours are beautiful. I use these as bookmarks, you know. Right, Scrawler Challenge, Liquid Landscape. No landscapes, I hate landscapes. So this is our 300 GSM watercolor pad or pencil. Let's turn it around and, oh, Graphitint paint set. I quite like these muted colours. I feel like I could work with these. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Not gonna lie, I love pan sets, and it's kind of like watercolors, and I love watercolors, but it's different enough to push me out of my comfort zones a little bit. Fingers crossed. Okay, let's get into this box. I'm so impatient. Okay, let's do this. I've had to isolate the sound so you don't hear me rattling around, and I've reduced it. I'll reduce it in post as well, so yeah. I think it's just one of them things, it doesn't get on my nerves, but I get frustrated when I hear it. I think it's because I want to be opening stuff too, so I won't put you through that. Oh, look at these. Okay, right. So little previews. Oh, wow. I'm assuming these printouts are a little bit more vibrant than what we're going to get, but whatever. Wow. Okay. Got a little sponge, got a brush. I'll probably never use a sponge. I'm so used to not. So, but I've got one. I should try, shouldn't I? Okay, this is looking pretty cool. Here's a little zine with all of our contents in November. I'm excited what we're going to get for December. No, that's cool. Right, so this is Claudia's work. These are really stunning. I'm really envious of anybody who can do really simple, well, what looks to be quite simple in terms of watercolor paintings. I think it's just because I just keep working into them until either the paper gets holes in it or I give up. Just bad habits. There's some really good tips here about like splattering, some techniques, wet and wet, dry. Oh, and these are September's artists. I'm jealous of anyone who used these Posca pens and got anything. I opened my box and I was kind of like, what do I do with them? I just, yeah. I need to record myself using them because I still haven't. That's really bad, isn't it? In my defense though, I did work in a university and the students came back in September, so I haven't had much time to experiment for myself. I also have another YouTube channel and freelance business for photography, so yeah. But how gorgeous are these? Yeah, I love the colours. I just couldn't work out how I could incorporate them into my work. I'm even envious of landscape photographers because I'm primarily a portrait photographer and illustrator, but how stunning are these? I think it's because I can't boss landscapes around. I just like that interaction with people, but wow, these are stunning. Little info on the shipment delays on the right there. I've not had much of a problem. I think there was once I had to wait 2 or 3 weeks after it was released for one of my Scrawlrbox boxes, but whatever, I got it. But look at that texture on this scene. Right, I'm going to cut the video off here and let's start using them. So I'm going to talk for a little bit before I just put some music on so you don't have to listen to me waffle on. I'm just drawing a couple of little squares for swatches just so I can see what each colour is like. I have sped this part of the video up. I filled the brush up with water and we're going to see how this goes. So my thoughts on this month's Scrawlrbox is it's pretty incredible. I mean, I've only spent about 15 minutes drawing this out, and my camera's not picking up all the detail that you can see on the paper, like the textures or anything like the beautiful things like that, the way the paper is interacting with these paints. But I'm super impressed on the colours, even though they're quite muted, and just the way you could actually use them. They do work exactly like watercolours. So I'm absolutely in love with this. So tell me what your thoughts are on this month's Scrawlrbox, and I'll hopefully catch you all in the next video.